Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Joe Cioffi on this Saturday, the 29th of August. It's weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. We'll get through this Saturday and then look ahead to some beautiful weather for Sunday and Monday. So let's take you through the slight risk of severe weather that exists today from the Carolinas all the way up into upstate New York, and that includes New York City, Albany, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, everyone from eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. And the slight risk area actually cuts off right over Long Island. And one of the things to look at again today is the fact that since we're in the throes of this tropical air mass, this cold front that's coming eastward, and the remnant low of Hurricane Laura, there's just a little bit of it left that's identifiable. We actually do have a 2% risk of tornado activity from North Carolina all the way up into upstate New York. So it basically covers the entire area of slight risk. And we saw what happened the other day when we were dealing with a 5% probability where we had a couple of tornadoes, including one in Connecticut, that was rather impressive. So we'll watch to see how this all plays out. In the meantime, looking at the satellite, not a whole lot of hope for sunshine today, although in between bands of whatever showers are going through, the sun could occasionally try to poke its nose out, which would add to a little bit of daytime heating. But we do have the weather front here that's approaching. Now, one of the things that you're not seeing on the satellite that was there yesterday is the identifiable feature that would represent Laura, and that has pretty much gotten absorbed into the frontal system itself. And this is why we're not expecting really anything of consequence near where whatever minimal core is left, which will probably be down in Virginia and into northern North Carolina. That will probably enhance some of the thunderstorms there. And if I had to pick a spot where severe weather was had a higher probability, it would be further to the south. Checking out now, this is the radar as of 10:30 Eastern time. There's showers that have moved to the north and east, heading through Connecticut and in through New England. There's a gap in between. We have some heavy rain and thunderstorms going on in parts of southern half of New Jersey. There's another band in northeastern Pennsylvania moving east. And you can see that the whole area is pretty much pivoting from west to east. We're stuck in the warm sector. As of 8 a.m., the 8 a.m. surface map, the Weather Prediction Center folks who handle this, who plot this map, there's still what is left of Laura, this 10,003 low in West Virginia. You see the cold front out to the west, moving into northwest Ohio, central Indiana. And of course, ahead of it, we're in the warm sector, which is why we're seeing the threat for severe weather. And also, you have this kind of snaking weather front going through upstate New York and through central New England, because north of there, temperatures are in the 50s and 60s, and south of there, we're going to be seeing temperatures up in the upper 70s and lower 80s. So let's take you through the rest of this afternoon. We're going to use the short-range HRRR model, which is showing us the lead map here is for 10 a.m. And as we move it along, going through the day, see these waves that go through. No model has really got a good, clear picture. When you match it up to the radar, from what we saw earlier, the radar is far more active than what the HRRR is indicating. So I would just kind of use that and correct it in my mind that there'll be more in the way of showers and thunderstorms, particularly this afternoon and evening. And you see also, by the way, not everybody's getting something at the same time. There are breaks. There'll be one area coming through late in the afternoon, and then once the cold front arrives, which is sometime Sunday evening, there might even be another shower or thunderstorm with that, and that would be after, say, 6 or 7 o'clock. Then that moves out, and we get into drier air that is out to the west. Our cold front is going to move on through, and high pressure is going to build in. So we've got a beautiful day for Sunday and for Monday. Northwest winds tomorrow. It actually will be probably a bit breezy during the morning into the afternoon. The high will be overhead on Monday. It's going to start giving way to moisture coming up from the south. You see those showers Monday afternoon in West Virginia. We might be clipped by those Monday evening or into Monday night. Then that moves out as a low forms off the North Carolina coast. And then we're kind of sitting in an onshore flow for Tuesday into Wednesday as another weather front approaches late in the week. It's probably going to try to stall out along the East Coast, and that could be setting us up now for perhaps some waves of moisture, at least to start the Labor Day holiday weekend. This is for Friday night into Saturday. And then if everything sinks far enough south, we could luck out and have decent weather for Saturday, Sunday, and we'll keep our fingers crossed that it lasts right through Labor Day. So as far as temperatures are concerned, I'm looking here. These are Monday morning lows. We're going to be in the mid 50s to low 60s and even some 40s showing up in parts of upstate New York and New England. It's going to feel really, really nice, even down into the mid-Atlantic states, temperatures bottoming out in the upper 50s to low 60s for Monday morning. That'll be the coolest morning of the next couple. And as far as high temperatures are concerned, for tomorrow, highs will probably have a tough time getting above the 80-degree mark. Most places will not be getting out of the 70s. And the same for Monday. Many areas, including areas down in Northeast Virginia, where oftentimes summer can seem endless, temperatures not getting out of the 70s, and you head up into the Hudson Valley, temperatures and in and around New York City, Long Island, northern New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, most highs will be in the middle 70s. So definitely looking forward to that. So we'll keep our eye to the sky with regards to severe weather. No Joe and Joe weather show today, but we'll have our Sunday morning show at 11 a.m. Eastern time, so you can grab your cup of coffee and maybe your morning breakfast and join us. And of course, both Weather in 5 and the Joe and Joe weather show are available as podcasts. And this way, if you can't watch the video for whatever reason, you can always just stick your earbuds in and listen to the Joe and Joe weather show. All right, everyone, have a great day, and we will see you later.